just working at the on the semi here, but we got a notification that our cable came in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on and see if there's any difference. Well, there should be, because right now the throttle cable doesn't work, so we'll see. Cable's broken, or it's been cut. So I tried to fix it, but it didn't work. Connects back there, and we gotta be careful. I gotta figure out how I can keep this away from the muffler. See how that's resting on the muffler? I guess I could just zip tie it here. So that's pretty close to the muffler, though. Where was this cable originally? Huh. Alright, well, let me get the old one off. Okay, the new throttle cable's in. It's much better. The route is there, and then there's a hole in the frame that the cable goes through. And then up to the carburetor. But I think there's some adjustments I need to do on the carburetor, because it's not, you know, it's good on flat, but when you're going uphill, it doesn't have enough